Hello friends, in this video we will discuss edit menu options. So start with undo, shortcut key Ctrl Z, a redo Ctrl Shift plus Z, and a repeat command Ctrl plus R. So let's start. To change the color of this ellipse green, change the color of this star yellow. So what I have done recently, if I will use this command undo, it will back step. The last fill color will be shown in the Corel file, means the step we have followed recently will be back with this option. Like this, again use undo. So you can see that in this ellipse color, ellipse I have filled the color green, but now after using this undo command, it show the color again purple, means the color I have filled in this, that will be step backward. Yani means last color will be shown by him and recently color will be removed by him. So you understand how this undo command work. And if I will use a redo command, so what is done by the undo command, that will be reversed by the redo command, means undo command step backward, one step backward what I have recently done, but a redo command again take us step forward. Click here, redo command, it take us step forward. What is done by the undo command bring us one step backward, what I have recently done, but a redo command again take step forward, what is done by undo command. So you got my point. And similarly, a repeat fill, this command work how? See, I again fill color in this star like this color. So if I want to fill same color in this ellipse, then you are not required to select the color which I have filled in this star. You can use select this ellipse and use this command repeat fill, and the color which is filled in this star will be repeated in this ellipse tool. So I think you got my point how undo, fill, undo command, redo command and repeat command work. So next command is cut, copy, paste. Shortcut key cut Ctrl plus X, copy Ctrl plus C, paste Ctrl plus V. So if I want to cut any object, you know that all these are object. This is one object, this is second object, this is third object. If I want to cut this object from here, from current position, select this object, go in edit and click on cut option, you will see that object cut it from current position. And if you want to paste on the second page, then select the second page, see this second page on the screen and go in edit, click on the paste option, shortcut key Ctrl plus V, you will see that shape, that object which is cutted by us from page 1 now pasted on page 2. So this is how cut paste command work. Now we will use copy option. Select this rectangle, go in edit and click on copy. This option will copy the selected object and where you want to paste it, means on second page or on third page. You see I have selected the third page. You can click here, go in edit menu, click on paste option, you will see that object which is copied by me from the first page now pasted on the third page. So I think you got my point. You can copy any object and paste anywhere in your file. You can paste again, go in edit, click on paste and that object will be pasted again on the screen. So this is the process, this is the work of this cut, copy or paste option. and next option is delete. So if you want to delete any object which is created in the Corel, like this rectangle, this ellipse, first select your object. Like I select this rectangle, go in edit, click on the delete button. You will see that object is deleted by this option. So I think you understand my point. And next option is symbol. So this is another very important option in this edit menu. See, symbol, how it is used. Like I create some, see here, I create some star, any object on the screen like this. Some object created on screen with these Corel tools. With these Corel tools, like created circle, you see. And I want to select all these shapes and create the group of, from here, all this shape you can create the group. I create the group of these shape, and if I want to create the symbol of that object, select that object and go in edit, click on symbol and new symbol, give the name here, any name you want to give to this object, like logo, my logo. Then click OK. You will see it create the symbol of that object. And if I want to use that symbol again and again, go in symbol and click on symbol manager. You will see the symbol created by us will be shown here in the list, name, type, symbol, and here will be shown in this list. So if you want to use that symbol in your Corel file, then like this, third, fourth, fifth, you want to see that object in Corel file, then you open that page where you want to insert that symbol and select that symbol from the list you want and click on the insert symbol. To insert that symbol in your file, you will see that symbol you are created by symbol option will be inserted anywhere you want to insert. Open that page and insert there with this button, insert symbol. And if you want to delete that symbol, click on delete symbol option. So that symbol will be deleted from the list permanently. So I think you understand how this symbol option work. This symbol option contain other option also, edit. I have make special video for this to explain all other options. You can see that video. So symbol, new symbol, how it is used, and symbol manager, how you can use the symbol which is created by you, you can use from symbol manager. So go to the next option. Next option is duplicate. If you want to create any duplicate of your object which is created in Corel, like this object I have created. If I want to create a duplicate object of this selected object, then go in edit, click on duplicate, or shortcut key Ctrl+D. Like this, I click here on duplicate option. You will see a duplicate object is created in Corel page. So you can create number of duplicate as per your requirement. Click on, first select the object, then click on the duplicate, or shortcut key Ctrl+D. Like this, I use Ctrl+D. See, duplicate object created in my Corel file. So this is the way of using this duplicate option. And next option is very important option, copy property from. This is another good option, important option, copy property from. Click here. Before clicking here, select one object, means create one object on your screen in Corel file, and now select this object rectangle, go in edit, click on copy property from option. You will see a copy property window will be opened on your screen, and here, see here, fill color. If you want to copy the fill of the objected selected by us, of the object selected by us, like this green box, you will see rectangle which is selected by us. If you want to create the copy of fill color, outline color or outline pen color of the selected object in the other object, then you can use this copy property. Means I want to copy the fill, I want to copy the outline color, I want to copy the outline pen of this selected rectangle, selected object in other object. So what you want to copy? Only fill, only outline color, only outline pen color, then you will have to select that option, and the option which you want not to apply, that option will be unticked. So which option you want to apply, click and select that option. So I want to apply only fill color, I select fill and click OK. A arrow will be created. See, arrow will be created on your screen, and apply this arrow on this circle. You will see that the color which is applied by you on this circle, same color, same like white color will be inserted in this rectangle. Means where that arrow you will take, it's on that object, the object color, object outline will be inserted in the selected object. You got my point? Once again I apply this option like this. I want to fill in this circle the same color which is filled in this rectangle. So first select the circle, go in edit, click on copy property, then select what you want to copy, fill, outline or outline pen. I want to copy fill, click OK, and then you will have to click on that object whose color you want to copy. I want to copy the color of this object, then take your arrow here and click mouse left button. You will see the color of this rectangle where you take your arrow on this object, that color of this object will be filled in this ellipse. So I think you got my point how this copy property form work. So next option is, go to next option, select all. This is another important option, select all. If you want to select all the object of your Corel file, click here, select all, then click on object. You will see all the object created on your this Corel file will be selected. See, if you will go again, select all and click on text, the text you are typed in this Corel file will be selected. Like this, I will type some text here. So if I will select this object, see, I select this object and I want to select the text. Go in select option and click on text. You will see only text will be selected. If you will go in select all and click on object, you will see all object created in this Corel will be selected. So these are the two options which are required, and go on the next option, find and replace. So now we will discuss next option in edit, find and replace. So go in find and replace. See first option, find object. So click here. Before click here, we will select one object, only one object in this Corel file, and go in find and replace option. Click on find object. So this is another important option provided by the Corel. You can find the object also. In many softwares you have done or you have seen only the option of find words, like find any word you will enter in the find command, only that word will be finded. But in Corel you can find also object. Click on find object and see here it will ask you begin a new search. Click next. Here see it will ask you which object you want to find, curve, rectangle, ellipse, polygon or any text. So I select ellipse. I want to find ellipse. Click on next. Again go back. Before selecting the ellipse or selecting the ellipse, you will see here is a some small box. See here is a small box. Tick here and then select. Use the select option and then next and then finish. You will see it will select the ellipse which is created in your Corel. So you can select the object created in Corel like rectangle, like curve, like ellipse with this find object option. And if you have created too many ellipse in the object, you can find with this option find next, find next, find next. And if you want to find all the ellipse created in this object, click on find all. And if you want to edit search means you want to search other object, click on edit search, then go in option, like you will see again find wizard will be opened on your screen. Then select which object you want to find, like this I want to find rectangle. Select the rectangle and then next, then next, then finish. You will find it will find the object rectangle in your Corel file. If you find next, see it find the another rectangle created in this Corel file. See I press again find next, it again select the another rectangle created in this file. If you want to find previous, you can use this command find previous. So find next, find previous, find next, find previous. And if you want to find all object, you can use find all option. It will select all the rectangles created in the Corel file. So I think you understand, you got my point. So go to next option. In this edit, find and replace object. If you want to replace the object, like replace word option, you will be studied in many softwares like MS Word, MS Excel. In this Corel, replace object option is available to replace the object, like replace color. I want to replace the color of this object or any object. Select replace a color, click on next. Then find the old color filled in your object. From here find the old color filled in your object and select the new color you want to fill in your object. And you want to fill the color or change the outline. Select from here, you want to fill the color or you want to change the outline color. I want to fill the color, means fill the color change. Find means green color change with this red color. So click on the finish and this will select the rectangle or ellipse. You will see find and you can use the replace option. to change the color. It will change the green color with orange color. Now it select another rectangle in which green color already filled. If you want to replace this color, you can use the replace option. So if you want to one by one replace, then click on this replace button. If you want to replace all, means you want to change all the green color with this red or orange color, click this option replace all. It will replace all the green color with the red color. And if you want to find before replacing, so you can find the object and then you can replace the object. So this option is used, find and replace, to replace the color. So very important options, friends. Next option is find text. If you want to find text, not object, if you want to find text, click on find text, enter the text here which you want to find in this Corel file. Like computer, I enter the word computer, click on find next. It will find the computer word which will be typed in this Corel file. You can see that it highlights that word in the file. So you can find any word with this option, any text with this option by entering the text in this box. So go in next option, edit, then you will see here find and replace, replace text. Like the replace object, you can replace the object. Same like you can replace the text. Click on this option replace text. Enter the word here like center. Old word in find word and new word you want to enter or you want to replace, enter in this replace with. I want to replace center with middle. So click on the find. I have just mistake. Center, find. So it select the word where center is typed in this Corel file, and if you want to replace that word with middle, with new word middle, then click on replace button. It will replace the word center with middle. So I think you got my point and understand how this replace text option used in Corel. So go in next option. See this find and replace completed, and then we will discuss insert barcode. Very important option. You have seen in many products when you purchase from the market, there are barcodes on the products, and go in mall. You have seen many times when you purchase some product in mall, when you purchase product, they scan the barcode and get the information of that product. So you can insert that barcode. When you create design in the Corel, click on the insert barcode. You will see this barcode menu will be opened on your screen. Then select the type of barcode you want to use, means 25 words barcode. This is like a password, or that barcode is used to scan with the computer scanner. Code 25 barcode you can select, code 39 barcode you can select, code 128 barcode you can select. Like I select code 39 and enter the code here, 30 character. See here, enter up to 30 character here and 5 character here and 30 character here. Like this, I enter 5 character and you can enter the 30 character here and then press OK. Next means then press next, and you can set here the resolution of these barcode, and you can enter the inches, height of the inches means height of or width of the this barcode, and select here the height of barcode and here the narrow ratio of your barcode, means some settings are there, and then click on next option. You will find new options here. Font, you can set the font from here, Arial, Time Roman or bold italic, and then align the text, means numbers you have entered in this, like 39 numbers what we have typed, you can see them on left side, center or right. Then click on finish. You will see the barcode on your screen, and the code we have entered in the dialog box will be here in center. If that I use align left, that words will be on left side. If I entered right side, select the option right side, that words, that 39 characters I have entered will be on right side. So this is a barcode you can place anywhere in your Corel page to print it. So follow the last option in the insert new object. Follow that option. After insert barcode, last option, insert new object. If you want to insert other software in Corel, like Paint, you want to open in Corel, you want to open MS Word, click on this option, insert new object. You will see insert new object dialog box will be opened on your screen, and then you can select any software you want to open in the Corel, like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. See this paintbrush picture, you can open the paint, then press OK. You will see paint will be opened in the Corel, and you can create any design in this paint. Like this, I create some design in this paint file. See this, I create some design in this paint file. You can see that any type of design you can create in this paint. I have just create fastly because I want to save time. So cross from here, and you will see the design created in the paint will be visible in this Corel file. So like this, you can insert any object by this insert new object option in the Corel file. So these are the options we have discussed today in this video. And last, if you want to edit this object, you want to make changes in the paint file या paint object created by the paint, you can use this option, bitmap image object, select edit. You will see again paint option will be available on your screen. Then you can make edit what you want to edit in this file. You can make changes what you want to do, and then click this cross button and you will see the changes in your file. So this is the way to use the other software in the Corel file. So this is the last option of today's video. So goodbye. Listen my all videos and learn this Corel nicely.